Four male students of B.B. Coke High School are being hailed as heroes this evening. The boys took turns carrying their 14-year-old schoolmate to get medical attention after he was beaten nearly unconscious by a grade 11 student. Today, they received certificates of commendation from the Prime Minister. But as the boys recall the day in question, they are upset no motorist offered help. Giovanni Dennis reports.
These four boys are taking turns carrying their 14-year-old friend to get medical attention. This is last Thursday in St. Elizabeth. Their 14-year-old friend was beaten almost unconscious by an 11th grade male student after he reportedly lost his balance and came in contact with the 11th grader. On Monday, they were given a hero's welcome at school. The boy leading the way is 13-year-old Kari Gray. He was with Jahim when the incident happened.
He was like, the line was bungled up and he was like losing balance and a drop. And the only way he could have get him balance, like, grab on by the youth jacket. So you turn around and ask, say, a badness here pre. So as him say, as Jahim I go say back something now, Jahim get a thump in the face.
Kari tried to intervene but was pulled away by security. He says the onslaught worsened. His other friend had to rush to his defense.
This one, if I never him, Jahim probably was a lose him life there. Thank God to him though. Right, so all I did and when him Jahim drop, him go over Jahim face and start thump up Jahim, and tapping a Jahim face, and this a youth that see it get out of hand. But so that youth go there, what you do, fist him off, right? Him fist him off and so.
They quickly went for him to take him to hospital, but then things got scary.
I take up Jahim, sir, and then he faint in my hand, sir, and I shake him, and then he come back, sir, and start lick the fence and say, "I want to go home." Then he faint again, then I see Rollinson, sir, came up and hold him, sir. Then my dad cry, sir, I couldn't stand for seeing his face like that.
You see, as I go to the gate with him, he faint in my hand. So only thing I could have said to Dejan Powell, say, him faint. And Dejan Powell take up his hand, and then we start walk with him.
They had to take turns when their hands got tired. They wanted to buy him a bottle of water, but even that proved difficult.
The amount of somebody start surround him, so I never get to buy the water. I'm just take him up back and start walk with him like.
Another vexing concern, no motorist offered them help.
The woman, sir, like, she stopped and asked what happened, sir, instead of giving us a ride to the doctor, sir. And that's really hurt.
Like, when you want to cry, yes, me cry, but like, just have to see him like, me have to breathe. Yeah, and then when we go there, he said to me, say, because in the all faint answer, and he said to me, say, when he get up back, he said to me, say, "A money if you got in." I'm say, "Don't worry, me pay for you."
They barged straight inside the doctor's office, put him on a bed, and yelled, "Emergency!" After the doctor took their friend, they all got more emotional.
Right at the door, if I got in, I said, "Bun up, take off him shirt," and I cried. Who allow you? You could have said, who allow you to cry? Because I feel it different, because Jahim a person with no trouble nobody and so. Very sad, because I never expect nothing like this to happen to a humble youth like that.
Know that he has been hospitalized.
So, I'm a bit worried, sir, but I'm praying, sir. I'm praying for him, sir.
The boys were each presented with a certificate of commendation from the Prime Minister today. In the meantime, the accused grade 11 student was offered bail in the sum of $300,000 with surety when he appeared in court on Monday. A stop order has also been placed against him at all ports of entry. His case is expected to be mentioned in court again on Wednesday. The 14-year-old victim is still in hospital in stable condition. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.
And in